Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers Khan Ajilaga main headlines. Indian Airlines Khan war majate passengers Gulf countries te phasikina thaka Khan ke wapas anibo nimiti 58 flights operate korikina jaise. Extortion upor zero tolerance hubo koikina Chief Minister Nepiru upra janadeshi. Israel pra Tehran te 10th round dangor scale airstrike launch korishi. Manipur laga 9 footballers ke AFC Women's Asian Cup 2026 India laga 26 member squad te loishi. Indian Airlines kan Middle East se war nimite passengers phasikina thaka Khan ke wapas anibo karne aji 58 flights operate korikna jaise. Civil Aviation Ministry hisab te flights te 30 to Indigo aro 23 to Air India aro Air India Express laga ase koishi. Air India, Indigo, SpiceJet aro Akasa Air, Dubai aro Fujairah nishna Gulf cities te pra New Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Kochi, Ahmedabad aro Tiruvananthapuram nishna Indian airports te special flights operate korikna jaise. Bishi deri pra rukhikna thaka flights kan restrict korikna thaka airspace na hoikina dusra alternate rasta te pra resume korikna jaise. Authorities pra passengers ke confirm ha departure time nimite airline pra contact nakura tak Dubai International Airport na hoile Al Maktoum International Airport te na jabole advice korishi. Ministry janaishi ki passenger laga safety sabse important ola ase aro airlines ke refunds reschedule aro modot nimite communication to transparent rakhibole direct korishi. Tai khan bi enika time te ticket laga dam unfair tarika pra bishi hoy kina na jabo nimite monitor korikina jaise koikina janadeshi. Chief Minister Nepiru pra janaishi ki state government extortion or criminal activities against zero tolerance rakhibo koishi. Kotetaibi Naga political issue upor fear or honorable solution nimite support korikina jabo koikina janadeshi. Assembly te governor address like a motion of thanks time kotha korikina Rio janaishi ki government peace or security nimite thick steps lubo or ekta lasting settlement nimite olabo karne negotiation support korikina jabo koishi. Frontier Nagaland Territorial Authority FNTA upor Rio janaishi ki government to memorandum of agreement cholaikina jabo aro age jabo nimite Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO logote milikina kam korikina jabole bhal ichha janadeshi. Taibi Census 2027 to bhal pra conduct kuribo nimite stakeholders ke cooperate kuribo nimite janadikina inform korishi ki census nimite briefing session bishi joldi organize kuribo koishi. Teachers kan ke rationalize or redeploy kurble upor Chief Minister janaishi ki matter to demographic shift jaga aro area kunba te enrollment committee hoikna jai thaka nimite under examination ase koikna janadeshi. Rio manishi ki khiti kura khan takhanaga saman bikri kurble diktar hoise juntu nimite government takhan modot kurubole rasta bisare kina jaise koishi. Unemployment address korikna Chief Minister janaishi ki government skill training promote korikna Manu Khan ke nijor laga business shuru kurble encourage korikina jaise koikna state krishi. Taibi practical or technical skills sikibole janashe especially AI artificial intelligence or technology te koikina state krishi. Northeast Manu against racial discrimination to strongly condemn korikina Rio pra government citizens laga dignity or constitutional values bachabo nimite committed thakato arobi ekbar janadeshi. Foothills Rasta project upor Chief Minister janaishi ki government Ministry of Road Transport and Highways logote matter upor kotha korishi hoilebi mati pabole or jungle clear kurble nishna problems pra projected deri hoy ase koikna mati malik or dusra manu involved thaka khan ke kam to age jabo nimite cooperate kurble janadeshi. Nagaland Government Teachers Association NGTA 2010 or 2013 batches Naga Students Federation NSF or Eastern Naga Students Federation ENSF pra solidarity janadikna Taikan matter to state government logote loi jabo koikna assurance dia pichte taikan naga agitation to holte rakhibole decision loishi. Decision ituto Directorate of School Education Kohima laga baharte taikan naga salary state non planned budget under dhaliwo dibole demand korikna 4 din peaceful protest law pichte ahalaga ase gathering ke kotha korikna NSF president Seisuding Herang pra government jawab na dia upor mon napuncha jana dikhna janaishi ki enika agitation khanto system fail hwanimite olai koikna janadeshi. Saal 2010 or 2013 batches ke NSF or ENSF laga sons and daughters matikina support jana dishi hoile bi eneka protest loikna jaile students ke affect hobole pare koikna taikhan ke professional thakikina school stay wapas jabole urge krishi ENSF President Nuhemong Yimkyung Prabi Justice Napatak issue to saikna jabole kotha dishi tai janashe ki takan issue opor serious thakato janai dibo nimite meeting records kunba reject krishi koikna Federation talks to sai thaka time teachers ke bisas rakhibole jana dishi hafta Saturday din pra loikna Israel US pra Iran te strike korikna jhamala choli thaka majute Israel pra janashe ki takan Iran te 10th round dangor scale air strike shuru kurishi koishi Israel Defense Forces IDF janashe ki takan rati laga attack se Iran laga internal security forces aro besiege militia pra chola centers khan target kurishi koikna janadishi US President Donald Trump janashe ki Iran naga Air Force aro Navy bishi ke knockout kuri dishi koishe kote US military claim koishe ki takan 17 Iranian ships or 2000 nishna targets biya kuri dishi koishe war to shuru hoy kina ityatak 1000 nishna manu murishe Iranian state media bi aji phujur Isfahan osor aro dusra area ste explosion honu bole para report korishe jamala chole kina jai thaka majte US tinta country Saudi Arabia Kuwait aro Lebanon te embassy bond kori dikna ase Americans khan ke bi to country khan charekina olabole warn kurishi Sports news te Manipur laga noita footballers ke AFC Women's Asian Cup 2026 Australia nimite India laga 26 member squad loishe India AFC Women's Asia Cup to साल 2014 te last kilishe aur ja saal qualifiers se third place ahikina 2026 edition nimite qualify hoikina ase India group C te Japan Vietnam aur Chinese Taipei logote place hoikina ase aur takan itu matches khante top 2 te aishe koilehi quarter finals te punchibole paribo charta semi finalists FIFA Women's World Cup 2027 Brazil nimite directly qualify hubole ase